Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to paint a cypress tree painting by Van Gogh with oil pastels. I'm using Tamlin oil pastels and I will be using a black paper because I wanted to experiment with a different color of paper other than white. Firstly, I'm using oil pastels on the left side of the sketchbook to see how it will come out on a black paper. If you want the texture of your color to be smooth, you can use anything to blend it, earbud or paper stump. But I'm not gonna use paper stump in this video. I like the rough texture of the colors. Let's start painting. And I know it looks nothing like Van Gogh's painting, but my motive was not to paint exactly like him, just to take inspiration from it and use the colors in my own way. Like Van Gogh has also taken inspirations from many Japanese prints. He was hugely inspired from Japanese prints. Van Gogh has collected many Japanese prints and pasted on his walls and take inspiration from it. Like you can see in this painting, in the background of the painting, this painting was hugely inspired from a Japanese print. Oops. And in many of his paintings you can see Japanese prints in the background, and he has taken inspiration from the color composition of Japanese print and used it in his own way, like in this painting. Last, I want to say you can take inspiration from your favorite artist. You can start by copying their work, and the knowledge you have gathered from it, you can use it in your own way in your artwork. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video or wanted to see more, just comment below and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.